Namaste, welcome back to my channel Think India. When it comes to Indian starter recipes, especially vegetarian, Paneer Tikka is one of the most loved and popular recipes across the world. Traditionally, tikkas are grilled in a tandoor oven. But today in Think India kitchen, we are going to make paneer tikkas very easily at home on the stove top. So all the paneer lovers out there, let's get started. First, let's roast the gram flour. For that, take 2 tablespoons of besan, 2 tablespoons of oil and half teaspoon ajwain or carom seeds. Now let's see the ingredients for the marination. Take 200 grams paneer, bell peppers and onions cut into cubes, 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste, 1.5 teaspoons kasuri methi, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon kashmiri chilli powder, you can also increase it, and half teaspoon garam masala. And we need 3 tablespoons of mustard oil, 3 tablespoons yogurt. I'm using the Greek yogurt, you can also use hung curd, and 1.5 teaspoons of lemon juice. Now let's start roasting the gram flour. Roasting the flour and adding it to the marinade gives the tikkas a wonderful taste. So that's the secret why the tikkas are so tasty in restaurants. Just roast it for a couple of minutes on a slow flame. Once you start getting the nice aroma, just turn it off and keep it aside. Now let's make the marinade. For that, add yogurt, all the spices, the ginger garlic paste and lemon juice, and mix everything together nicely. Now add the roasted gram flour, give it a mix, and gently add the paneer cubes, the onion and bell peppers, and mix it very carefully to ensure that the paneer do not crumble or break. Once the paneer pieces are coated well with the marinade, add the mustard oil. This is very important. Mustard oil gives the extra flavor to the paneer tikkas. So mix everything once again and just marinate for 10 minutes. Now take the skewers and soak them in water for about 10 minutes so that they don't get burned when we grill the paneer. Now take the skewers and arrange onions, pepper, paneer alternating with each other. Similarly, make all the skewers ready before we start to grill. Now heat up 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Arrange the skewers one by one. And grill the tikkas on medium to high heat and keep turning in between so that the paneer and veggies are cooked thoroughly. Now comes the serving tip. Just sprinkle a pinch of chaat masala and kasuri methi on the paneer tikkas. Serve the delicious restaurant style paneer tikkas with mint yogurt chutney. And how easy was that? These are definitely not the days where you can go out and dine in your favorite restaurant. So make all the recipes at home and enjoy with your family and friends. Just follow the tips and tricks shown in the video and I'm sure you're gonna make perfect paneer tikkas at home. If you like the recipe, please like, share it with your friends and please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and until next time, namaste.